Let's make super creamy butter chicken today. First step is to marinate chicken. Add 1.5 cup of curd, 2 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri lal mirch, 1 tablespoon chicken masala, 1 tablespoon dhania powder. Mix it well. Add chicken. Mix it nicely. Cover it and keep it in the fridge for 1 hour. So now let's make masala. 4 big size onions, 1 green chili, 6 to 7 garlic cloves, 1/4 cup cashews. Grind it. 4 tomatoes. Grind it again. It's done. Let's cook masala. 1 serving spoon desi ghee, 1 more serving spoon, 1 big serving spoon butter. Now add the masala puree. Start cooking the masala till it leaves the oil. The water has dried up. Cook for another 10 minutes. So it has released the oil and it is going to take 20 to 25 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon salt, a tablespoon of kasuri methi, half teaspoon turmeric, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri lal mirch, teaspoon chicken masala, 1 teaspoon dhania powder, 1 teaspoon sugar. Cook for another 1 minute. Two to 2.5 glass of water. Wait for a boil to come. After one boil, add the marinated chicken. Cover and cook on low flame for 10 minutes. So now cook on high flame for another 10 minutes so that gravy becomes thick. Also add butter in this and let it cook for remaining 5 minutes. So it's almost ready. Turn off the gas. See how beautiful the color is and it has released the oil. So the gravy is thickened and decorate with the cream.